Okay, first order of business. Let's take this clogged thing off. Maybe if I reposition it. Uh-oh. It's turning, but the nipple isn't coming off. That's not gonna do. Let me see if I can find a hack for this. Good news, guys. If you can combine these two components together, a socket wrench and an Allen wrench, well, a socket and an Allen wrench with, I believe that's a 1/4 inch drive, or maybe it's 3/8. Let's see. Oops. Oh. I was pushing too hard. So that's how we do it. Stay tuned for more muzzleloading hacks. Thanks.